Hello, my name is Angel Speed, and this is my big idea. The school that I'm applying for is Ann Brimmer Education Center, or ABEC. Who is ABC and what does this school offer the students? ABEC is a level 4 school that offers transitional programming for students with special needs. The age range is about high school until 21. The school already offers specialized programming, small class sizes, skilled staff, mental health supports, special education programming, as well as transition programming. Currently, the school is experiencing some very low attendance. In 2018, 50% of students attended regularly or at least weekly. The graduation rate is also decreasing. In 2014, 18.7% of students graduated. In 2016, there was a spike of 30.1% of students graduating, and then a drop again in 2018 of 17.6% of students graduating. Also, 77% of students are not quite meeting their academic standards in accordance with the state of Minnesota. Why is this happening? I believe there's a combination of factors. The students serviced have their own life struggles and ways to adjust because of their prospective disabilities. Also, students may not be engaged, and learning is hard, even if you're a mainstream kid. So it can be even more difficult when you're suffering from cognitive delays. Also, this is the last step for these students. This is level 4. There is no next place. This is oftentimes their post-secondary schooling. Some of our students get to go on to other post-secondary schools, but for the most part, this is it for them, and they can't go back to their prospective districts either. How can I help? Have you considered introducing video games? Yes, that's right, an arcade. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can an arcade help with the above issues? Well, there's tons of research to back it. Currently, the research is showing that it can improve vision, it can create some stress relief, helps with trauma, creates hand-eye coordination, offers physical activity, creates social interactions, the desire to learn, can encourage leadership traits, memory capacity, intelligence, creativity, and executive function, just to name a few. I'm sure if you think about some of the things that you did when you played video games, you can think of some of these ways that it helped you out as well. Now, what kinds of games would there be? There's many choices for games. You don't have to be limited to Calculation Nation and Brain Games. But all the games need to be, of course, school appropriate and create the capacity to learn and offer what is needed for the student in accordance with his or her academic goals. Now, I know you're wondering, how would you implement something like this? Here are just a couple of options for implementation. It could be an incentive for great behavior or good behavior. It can be a sensory tool. It can create some friendly competition amongst the students. And you can offer it for free times of the day. When a student has followed their schedule and done all the things that they need to do, then they can have a little bit of free time in the arcade. In summary, games are a way to implement some technology and ignite a student that may be lagging. All levels of students can benefit from this, and there are many options for games that will meet the specific needs of this setting of learner. Thank you and have a great day.